What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shay. If you didn't know, now you know. And in this video, as you guys can see from the thumbnail, we are going to be budgeting for a week. We are going to be having a spend budget of $100 this week. So I'm filming this video at the end of the week. I've already filmed the entire video, but y'all will be seeing in the rest of this video how I was able to do that and whether or not I was able to stay within budget or if I went over budget. So let's just get right into the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank y'all for watching in advance. And let's get into the video.
With me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the metro, might be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know I'm scared, I'm the lowest, so they know this. Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't beg. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, oh, that don't change.
My skin does not look the best because I'm getting off my period, but I'm on my way to Midas to get an oil change. This was not a part of my plans, but I was driving my car and my car feels like it's about to freaking break down, and I'm past due for an oil change. And I'm sorry if I keep looking every which way, y'all, because people act like this not a parking spot and they have to go around my car, but there's plenty of room in the street. I'm gonna stop and get an oil change. This was not a part of my plans for, you know, my $100 spending week, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that just because it's overdue. I've been needing a oil change for a very long time, and I was driving my car just now and I was like, this does not feel good. It feels like my car is about to break down. So let's go ahead to Midas and get my oil change for my car.
A lot of these cats out here be faking it when it come to making love. But you know, baby, this is
Luckily, somebody bought me groceries. I got super greens, shredded cheese for my pastas, cream for my tacos. Got a little berry frozen for my smoothie. Is this the bag rice? Not noodles. Big one. I'll be so happy to eat, y'all. I'll be so happy when I got food because I'm a foodie. I'm a girl. I love, as y'all can see through this video, all my money be going to food because, girl, I gotta eat bread. Chicken bread. Oh, he got unsweet again. Hawaiian bread. It's it. Okay, y'all, so excuse how I look because I'm currently at work, but I didn't have any lunch today, so I did have to purchase some lunch, and I got Whole Foods again. There's a Whole Foods near my job, so I got a slice of pizza, which was $3.99. I've been eating my money. I won't be eating out tonight. I'll be eating chicken and broccoli. So y'all, I'm at this motherfucking parking garage and they're charging me $4 fucking to get out of here. I'm really pissed about it because I have a validation and everything. And apparently the validation is only covered for 4 hours. And I was here for 4 hours, but I missed the time. Like, it's just, this is too much. I don't want to give them my fucking $4. I have no choice because they're not coming on the fucking call button. Like, listen.
1 0 5 9 7
Like,
2
what the
2.
fuck? Like, what the fuck? Like, I'm so pissed. Okay, guys, so it's the next morning, and I went out last night, and surprisingly, we spent no money. Good job, because I was tempted to get me something to eat, but I ended up just staying strong and waited till I came home, even though when I came home, I just went to sleep. But I don't have any lunch packed for lunch, so hopefully these waffles hold me over till I get off. I don't think I work a long shift today. Hopefully while I'm at work, I'm not like super hungry and I don't like cave into eating at work. Things out last night, y'all, they were so good. I'm gonna show y'all tonight. I actually record that, how I make them, because, but I gotta go to work because I'm gonna be late if I don't leave right now. And this is how much square feet? It seems a little small. This is the biggest one?
Yes, this is the biggest one. It's just the layout. So in this one, you get more space in the bedroom.
Gotcha. Okay. Is it a corner?
Only 2 or 3 bedrooms. But this one, I think it's because you get more space in the bedroom, and this was the ones upstairs too. All of them are going to be standing still, but they're kind of.
This one is good. I really like this one. What's getting me is the panoramic view, but a tiny bit over the budget, but I really like it. A soft white or a gray, right? Okay. I really like this. I haven't been to this building. I've been wanting to come because y'all's website is great. Like, the website is so nice. And I was like, wow. Came back from my tours. I'm making my tacos. So tonight we are eating in. We are not eating out tonight, babe. We ain't doing that. I'm getting some guac, some mole. It looks kind of nasty. I really like this for tacos, but I'm gonna use it because it's all the lettuce that I have. I just wanna make sure y'all can't see the bottom half of me because I don't got no pants on. Chicken is now my tacos turned out. It's so good. They really are. I already ate one. I made 3, but it's so good.
But if you can keep it like nobody knows. Give it all ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows. I need total confidential privacy. I don't want no thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip.
I'm about to start my day. This is going to be the last day in the vlog. The reason why I have boxes just laying around everywhere is because I just got some stuff from Amazon. Some stuff that I needed for my move-in. As y'all know, I just moved. A couple different things in from Amazon. So the first thing I want to show y'all is my glassware set. So I got a white glassware set. It comes with 4 bowls, which these bowls are cut really nice. I really like them. 4 saucers, 4 plates, and then it also comes with 4 coffee cups. So I thought it was a really cute set. I really wanted a white set because I feel like white is just so aesthetically pleasing. And then I also have a gray set, and then I'm gonna get a clear set. Or I might get like a beige set, or I might get a different glassware set. I really like this. It's probably my favorite thing that I got out of everything that I did get, because it's just so nice and it looks so nice. You get, I believe, 12 knives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 knives, a pair of scissors, whatever this is. And then there's also another little thing that comes with it. I don't know what it is, but this is the Midon, I think I'm saying it correctly, Midon set. And all the knives are custom cut, so each slot is custom cut for that specific knife. Each knife has their own slot, and they're all different types of knives. No knife is the same, and I really love this. The black is just so, it's just fire. Like, it is really a vibe. I also got these vases. So I got 3 of the vases. They come in different sizes. This is the smallest one, and then it's a medium and a large one. I put the large one in my bedroom, the medium one in my bathroom, and then the small one is going in my kitchen. And then I also got these feathers to go inside of the vases. Now the feathers, they look different on the picture, but they're still cute. I really like them. I didn't like the ones like this because they have purple in them, and that's just not the color that I'm going for. Like, this is just too purple. Actually, let me take it out. And it's just cute or whatever. So all of those things you guys can get from my Amazon storefront. I will have the links to my storefront in my description, and the links, the specific links for each of these products in the description as well. So one of my New Year's resolutions was to try something new every month, and this month I tried Pilates. So I started doing wall Pilates at home, and now I'm gonna do a Pilates class, an actual Pilates class. So the wall Pilates at home is really nice, but I really want to try this class. So my class is in a few hours, or in like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and I'm really excited to try it. I've never done Pilates before, so. This is the viral TikTok. I'm cold, y'all. I'm sorry. I literally just walked in the house. But this is a viral TikTok BBL jacket. So I've been waiting to open this in this color. Let's see, y'all. I'm about to go put it on. I'm gonna put it on and show y'all what it looks like. Also, this is the jacket. Nah, this looks really good. I like it. It does have the finger holes. And this was $3. So I think this was out of budget, but I did buy the Yara oil. And I'm gonna tell y'all what it smells like. So it comes in this box, and I'm not gonna say it doesn't smell good, but I don't like vanilla scents, so it's just not my kind of scent. And it's a vanilla mixed with like a floral scent. If you like floral and vanilla, you would love this. Me personally, I don't like floral scents, and I do not like vanilla. I'm more of a amber kind of girl. My favorite perfume is the Jimmy Choo I Want You. I don't know what scents are in the Jimmy Choo I Want You. I need to actually look that up so I can see what type of scents I actually like before I go buying stuff I never smelled. But it doesn't smell bad though. Like, I needed something else, like another smell good, because I've been like overusing my Chanel perfume. But the way y'all was hyping this up on TikTok was like, it's just this crazy scent. So I was like, okay, let me get it. Y'all definitely persuaded me to get it. But I'm not a big fan of it, but it does smell really good. If you like vanilla, you would really love it. So over the charges and everything that I spent during the week, I know there were some things that I didn't put in the video, so I just wanted to show y'all and kind of go through everything and total out what we actually spent, how much I spent this week, and if I stayed over budget, in budget, or if I went over budget. So the first charge, I remind you, I started this on the 24th. So on the 24th, I spent $3.96 on TikTok shop and another $5.45 at the convenience store for a tea. And then I spent $7.44 at Whole Foods. And then I spent, in that same day, I spent $33.01 at Midas. That was for the oil change. And then the next day, I spent $9.69 at Mangoes. That was food. And then the next day, I spent $10.01 at Quick Trip. That was for gas. And then that same day, I spent another $11.19 on Juicy Crab. And that was for like a lemon drop at Juicy Crab. And then the next day, on the 28th, I spent $9.48 at Whole Foods again. And then I spent another $4 at the parking deck because I couldn't get out the parking, remember? And then yesterday, I spent $9.71. Well, on the 29th, sorry. The 29th, I spent $9.71 at Whole Foods. And then today, I spent $2.50. So that brought me to a total of $103.94. So I went $3.94 over budget. If I didn't buy that stuff from TikTok, I would have stayed in budget. Grocery shop, because as y'all can see, I spent 6 of these transactions were for food, and it's only a total of 12 transactions. Half of those transactions I spent on food. So if you go grocery shopping and you eat at home, you won't be spending as much money. Like, I eat most of my money. It was a really good video. I really enjoyed filming this video. If you guys like these type of videos, you want me to do another one of these videos, I feel like I'm gonna do another one a little more organized because this was kind of like all over the place. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for my next video.